Dr. Shikha Sharma, the founder of NutriWell. So I'm a medical doctor and I founded a nutrition advisory company, which is into the preventive healthcare space. So my top two challenges, I would say, are divided into internal and external. So the external challenges I faced were from basically the municipal, which are the local municipal bodies, and the taxation and other departments. So when you set up a clinic, as a founder, you are very naive and gullible. So people tell you, oh, you have to do this and you have to spend money here, you have to spend money there. You end up believing them because you think whatever they are saying is the reality. So what I learned is, if anybody comes and says, oh no, you have to do this because you have to follow the bylaw, or you have to do that, always check. It's not always the correct picture. And you may end up spending a lot of money where it was not even required. So that was my first learning, that always verify the facts. Don't go by what people are saying. The second challenge, I would say, are the internal challenges. So again, when you are very young and you found a company, or you're a founder of a company, you tend to believe everybody's as passionate and driven and as the way you are. But you realize that for everybody it's not the same thing. And if you don't have processes in place, if you don't secure your data, if you don't have systems which are foolproof, you can lose anything from your customer base to your database to even revenues. And in the initial journey, that hit me hard because I was losing a lot of customer database and revenues and other issues which were coming up because the internal team, you don't know, and you are not choosing the right people. So like I said, it's a mixed bag. You get some great people who help you grow the organization. You also get some people who may not be ethical, and that's the area where systems and processes come to help you. So what I did with those two challenges, and actually my solution was single, right from the local bylaws and the local municipal people to the internal challenges of how to secure information, was I pivoted to technology. In technology, it gave me the best of everything. Firstly, it gave me a way to secure my information, or secure the customer data, client data, and standardize things. So I had a technology company come and create a CRM in which all the information was there, all the customer information was there, and it gave also the ability to scale up the business without losing the security and confidentiality of the customers. It also gave me a way to track information, so there was no revenue loss. So that not only solved the internal challenge, but even the external challenge, because initially I grew from 1 clinic to 8 clinics in Delhi. And with technology, I did not need clinics. I did not need to spend so much money and waste so much money on other things. So by centralizing the entire system and making into a tele-advisory, or what we say telemedicine, I also saved costs, controlled and standardized everything, and didn't have to go into setting up multiple clinics, which were a big issue in terms of the cost, the expense, and also managing the local municipal bodies. So that taught me that everything which you do, you have to reflect and see that what is essential and what is aligned to your strengths, and shift and pivot into that. And what is not aligned to your strengths, what is not core of the business, don't do that, or just keep what I say, pruning the bush. So remove everything which is not serving you, remove everything which is not useful, and just keep the core or the essence of the business and pivot to a new model. So keep growing and pivoting, because the markets keep changing, the situations keep changing. And of course, one thing which I really learned is that any situation or any challenge which comes in, it is basically to push you to a higher order. It's basically there to open your mind, open your eyes to a new way of doing things. And as long as you believe and you are able to do that, you can only grow, because there is no challenge which comes to destroy a business. It only comes to pivot a business. So that's what my learning is. And it's been a great journey so far.